Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for 3D printing accessory reviews, filament dehydration guides, material science breakdowns, and print farm reliability teardowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an essential tool for eliminating stringing and pop layers, the Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus. For makers and print farm operators working with hygroscopic materials like PETG, ABS, Nylon, or TPU, ambient moisture absorption leads to nozzle popping, excessive stringing, and weak layer adhesion. The Space Pi Dryer Plus solves this by actively baking out moisture while feeding filament directly into your 3D printer. At the core of the Dryer Plus design is a dual spool chamber capable of holding two standard 1 kg rolls at the same time. Compatible with both standard 1.75mm and 2.85mm filament diameters, it allows you to dry dual-extrusion material sets or keep a backup roll fully preconditioned. Thermal performance is driven by a powerful 160-watt positive temperature coefficient heating element. Paired with a forced air circulation fan, it distributes hot air evenly at 360 degrees inside the chamber, reaching target temperatures up to 70 degrees Celsius significantly faster than lower wattage dry boxes. User control is intuitive thanks to a bright 4-inch color LCD touchscreen. The display provides live readouts for chamber temperature, current relative humidity percentage, and remaining countdown timers, making it easy to track moisture evacuation in real time. To simplify setup, the onboard firmware includes 12 pre-configured material profiles. With one touch, you can select optimal drying profiles for PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, polycarbonate, or nylon without having to manually research drying temperatures and duration charts. Feeding filament during active prints is simple and sealed. Featuring heat-resistant PTFE tubing ports and silicone rubber seals, you can route filament out of the box straight into your toolhead while keeping internal humidity low during multi-day print runs. Featuring a 160 WPTC heating system, dual 1 kg spool capacity, 70 degrees Celsius peak temperature, 4-inch color LCD touchscreen, and active material presets, the Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus provides reliable moisture protection for technical 3D printing. If you enjoyed this Space Pi Filament Dryer Plus review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Do you actively dry your filaments before long prints or store them in dry boxes?